Are you ready to get festive and feel the Christmas spirit? Let's make your own stunning floral Christmas wreath with everlasting foliage with us. Have the pack ready and please allow an hour to complete this project. First, attach a wire to the wreath through any vines. Twist the wires together to secure them. Don't cut the wire until the whole wreath is complete. We can put this aside first. Cut the ferns individually and separate them into 15 to 18 centimeters long. Gather some foliage and hold them in your palm. Make them like a fan shape, with some foliages facing both left and right. Place the bunch directly on the wreath while still holding the binding point. Use the wire that we prepared earlier to bind the foliage to the wreath. Wrap the bunch 3 to 4 times. Pull the wire tightly and put them aside. The subsequent bunch will be put directly onto the previous bunch, without any gap between them. We follow the same direction throughout the wreath. For the fan shape that's facing the inside of the wreath, the foliage length is shorter, so they are not covering the middle hole of the wreath. The length of the foliage facing outside of the wreath can be longer. It will make the wreath look larger and more dramatic. Repeat this process till half of the wreath is covered with foliage. Take out the moss, wire the moss to the wreath. The moss serves as a base for other decorations. Gather the same volume every time. Cover the side and the top of the wreath. Following the same direction, we use the wire to bind the moss. For every turn, we will pull the wire tightly towards ourselves. Don't cut the wire until this is finished. To finish it off, we thread the wire into the wreath and bend it inward. The moss is preserved and it doesn't need any water to stay vibrant. Now we have 3/4 wreath. The fun part begins when we decorate it. Attach wires to larger pine cones one by one. Prepare cinnamon sticks by using the twine to tie 1 to 2 knots. Attach them to the wreath and make sure they face different angles. For lighter materials, you can use glue. For heavier materials, use wire and bind them to the wreath. Lastly, add some bunny tails at the end to extend the lines of the wreath. You can thread a ribbon through the vine or place it directly on a hook on your front door. Hope you enjoyed this flower project and have a wonderful Christmas. Don't forget to hashtag PeonyStory on Instagram to showcase your Christmas wreath.